What's up, guys? It's my birthday and we're gonna do a little fishing. I'm turning 9 and we're gonna catch catfish for these. And yeah.
In bass fishing.
Okay. Catfish and bass fishing?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, let's get in the water. It's a beautiful morning.
Yeah.
I'm excited about it.
Yeah.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah.
Are you excited about it? Alright. Let's do it.
So yeah. I don't want to knock over the gopher. Do I get in right now?
No, kick it off in there. I didn't really want you to kick it that hard. Alright, Ian, let's go.
What's gonna help them get in?
I think for myself.
Get in. Okay, you want your fishing pole? Or are you good?
Yes, I want my fishing pole. Okay, this seat hurts.
Oh, we'll get back out and set that up.
Dad's rigging it up.
Catching bluegill now. I'm going to put some of these on these noodles and hopefully that'll work.
Yeah, I've spent more time trying to get the bait on
I gotta get the kayak. Here, we'll get that.
Yeah, that thing is. Guys, what is this?
We already got one. Didn't
We
take
already
long.
got one, folks. It's catfish or this.
Dad's getting in the kayak. We got 2 set up so far. I think it's a big old catfish.
Fish on. Hopefully I can get him in. He don't shake off.
Big blue catfish. Not huge, but good eating size.
This is my birthday jump! Woo!
Nope.
I hate this ladder.
You going, big bro? Freckles went.
Freckles. And I guess. That's fun.
Good job, Ian. You're a failure. One last birthday jump. Here we go! That really hurt my eyes.
You're supposed to close them.
Oh man. That hurt.
You going again?
Yeah, why not?
That hurt really bad.
We'll do a big one. We'll send
Do a
over
full
Brooke.
send belly flop.
No.
Come on. For the peoples.
No.
Come on.
No.
I guarantee you they'll like the video if you did full send belly flop.
Oh gosh, no.
Just do it. Come on. It's only like 3 feet high. Come on. Full send belly flop. If he does it, y'all have to like and subscribe.
And leave notifications on.
Yeah.
Now you gotta. Now you're,
Alright.
I don't want to.
And comment.
No.
You did it.
Ow. Oh. Okay. I tried to tuck out of it. It didn't work.
No, you did it. Hey, that's gonna get us some likes and subs.
Hopefully.
Maybe. Probably not. It's pretty lame.
And everybody's gonna leave notifications on, right? And comment. Bye. See you on the flip side.
Nice big blue cat. We're gonna do a catch and cook on this guy. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned for that part of the video. That'll be here in just a little bit. It's time for birthday lunch. Y'all saw us catch it. Now you're gonna see us cook it. Obviously, we only caught one catfish today, but thankfully I had a few in the freezer that I caught last week. So we're gonna cook this up and share it with you. Well, at least you'll see the video. Right? Right, birthday fella? Alright. So we have our oil heating up. Got one pan for fish, one for hush puppies. And we're going to use this Louisiana fish fry. It's pretty good stuff. It's pretty available pretty much everywhere. And it's pretty good. So we're going to batter it in that and make some golden crispies. It's going to be tasty, isn't it? As far as the fillets go, we are gonna season those with salt and pepper. We're not gonna put much on them because the batter has a lot of salt and other seasonings in it already. So we're just gonna hit it with some salt and pepper. Just get some actual seasoning on the fish itself. That will do. Just a little bit of pepper. That'll do. And then when the grease is heated up, you'll see us get to frying. Toss some in there. That'll do for now. Probably have to add more in a bit. And then toss some of these delectable nuggets in there. That's gonna get us going. Put the lid on. Shake it. Shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake. Yeah. Delicious golden crispies.
Alright.
Alright. Our grease is just about right. Put some hush puppies in first. I'm the only one that eats these, so I'm just gonna make a few. That's, the dogs are excited. See, they're excited about catfish too.
I think they're excited about the hush puppies.
I said hush puppy and he barked. You sure you don't want some of these?
I'll try a couple.
Try a couple.
Just don't care for cornbread much.
Alright.
Eat this way.
Put a small piece in, see if it's sizzling pretty good. Oh yeah. Catfish fingers. Although catfish don't have fingers. Right there. Alright. It's gonna look pretty good. Excited?
Smells good.
Alright, well, we still have some finishing up, but I'm going to give you guys a taste test. These weirdos they have tartar sauce, which is normal, but they also have Chick-fil-A sauce. What do you have to say for yourself?
I want to try it.
Chick-fil-A sauce is
Try it
delicious.
without sauce first. That's right.
Good.
Oh yeah. That is tasty deliciousness. The tartar sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Can't really beat it.
It's delicious.
Chick-fil-A sauce on fish.
Uh-huh.
It's delicious.
What's better, the Chick-fil-A sauce or the tartar sauce?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Huh?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
I don't know about that guy.
It's so good.
It's actually really good.
Alright. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Duckett, it's your birthday. Why do you use a napkin and your shirt instead of a napkin? Typical 9-year-old now, right?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you liked this video. If you did, let us know by leaving a like.
Like and subscribe.
What?
You have to subscribe. I did the belly flop.
Oh, yeah. All right. Thank you.